So I got this 330 running yesterday, day before. Wasn't real happy with the power. I feel like it's choked down a whole lot. So I had a spare muffler for one, and I modified it today. So I'm gonna make a few cuts in this dry cedar with the regular muffler, and then swap it out to the modified muffler, and then see the difference. So this is without the muffler modified. Cold start. Still trying to dial in the tune, so might have to tweak it a little bit. I'll tell you one thing, definitely don't have a high output oiler, but it runs a little bit better in cedar and the softer stuff than it does in the harder stuff. Obviously, I feel like it's lacking a little bit of torque, but we'll see if opening up this muffler will help with that. All right, I'm gonna go swap this out.